start generating $100 per month in passive income. And no, this is not a random list that I copied from the internet. These are things that I'm doing actually, and I will show you in detail how you can do them. So let's start. The first one is Bitcoin mining. Why? This is the easiest to start, and I will show you what you need. So basically what you need is, first you need GPUs, which are your graphic cards, and the second thing you need is software. Any mining software will do. You can simply start this by getting gaming PCs. So what do you need? For example, right now I have two gaming PCs and they have two different graphic cards. First of them has a 1080 Ti and the other one has a 2060. These are the two GPUs that I have, and combined they're giving me $100 per month. Now this is the hardware part. In terms of software, what I'm doing, I'm using something very simple to use, which is called NiceHash. This is a software you can download for free and it will help you do Ethereum mining. This is very easy to use. It's just plug and play. You download the software, make your account, and then you link your graphic cards in this, and then you can start mining straight away. The downside of this is that you will get lower reward. If you're using specific miner, you will have a better 10-15% better reward. But the good part is this is very easy to use. You don't need to have any specific knowledge, nothing at all. Of course, this will consume electricity and it depends on your location how much electricity charge is there. But even after electricity cost, I'm getting $100 per month. You might be wondering, why am I going after gaming PCs and not specific mining rigs? Because gaming PCs are easy. You can buy them easily anywhere. If you don't want to continue mining, you can easily sell them off. This is very easy to do. The investment required for this is roughly $1,500 to $2,000 is what you need to put in terms of these two gaming PCs, and then you can start mining. Now the thing you need to understand is, and my experience after mining is that mining will not return you a constant amount. It keeps going up and down. Of course, it depends on the price of Bitcoin and it depends on the reward that you're getting. These two things keep fluctuating. But even after this, like for example, these days Bitcoin is around 40k right now. Rewards are also a bit lower. Still, I'm able to generate $100 per month easily, and I don't have to do anything at all. Once I download the software, I link everything, it's happening by itself. I don't need to stand there, manage it or anything at all. So in my opinion, this is one of the easiest ways to start passive income. Just get these two GPUs or two gaming PCs and then you can start straight away. The second thing I'm doing is room rentals. Okay, if you're living somewhere and you have a spare room, you can rent it out. Now the way to do this is, like what I did was that I had a 1-bedroom before. I tried to compare the rent against a 2-bedroom. What is the difference in terms of dollars? For example, if the difference is coming to around $300-400 per month just to get a 2-bedroom apartment. Once I had this research done, I went to the other part, is how much is the rental going on in the market right now for a single room. So if it's around $500 to $600, which means you're paying around $400 extra and you're getting $500 to $600. So which nets you around $100 to $200 profit easily. You don't need to do anything. Once you get the property, you just put the ad over there. Depending where you live, there are legalities involved in this. Maybe there are subleasing laws that you need to follow. You need to declare this income and all these things. But even after doing all this, you can generate $100 to $200 easily per month without doing anything. Now a lot of people will argue that why don't you just get a mortgage and then go that way? Why? Not everyone can get mortgage. You know, there is problems with credit score, interest rates, you need to pay down payment and whatever. Maybe you don't have that, maybe you don't want that hassle. So this is a very cheap way to enter this market. Once you have an extra room, you rent it out. Maybe you start Airbnb. So there are a lot of options you can do once you have the thing. Me personally, I'm not doing Airbnbs, but it's working out alright for me. I'm earning around $100 to $200 easily. And this can be especially lucrative if you live maybe around a big university or your living area which is easy accessible through trains and metros. Then you will find that it is super simple to rent it out and there is not much hassle involved. Of course, you need to be careful about the type of person you're getting into your house. You don't want someone who's into drugs or alcohol or this type of stuff. That is the downside of doing this. Or someone who doesn't pay on time. So these are the things you might want to be careful about. Of course, you will never know before it comes through experience, but this is a way you can easily earn $100 to $200. Now this third way to earn passive income for beginners is actually a surprising one. What you need to do is that you need to budget properly your expenses and you need to look at how you can repay your loans quickly. Once you're able to repay your loans, you will be able to save that monthly installment. For example, you are paying $200 on your car. For example, you are paying $200 for your car, and if you're able to repay this loan quickly, then you're able to save that $200 every month. Or Similarly, maybe you have got a phone contract which is costing you $100, or maybe you have got a mortgage, whatever type of loan you have, your student loan, you can start paying more towards your student loan. The difficult part, because I'm doing it myself, the difficult part in this is actually to follow the budget. This is very difficult. Sometimes you want to be impulsive, sometimes you want to buy nice things, or you want to go out for that expensive dinner or lunch or hang out with your friends, but that is the time you need to control yourself, and this is how you will be able to manage your finances better. Also, if you start any of the first two income ideas that I shared with you, you're getting another $100 or $200 extra. You can use those dollars to repay your loan faster. This is another way which will accelerate. This will help you in quickly paying down your loan, and in the end you will save all this 200, 300, whatever your payment is, you will save that money. So as you can see, these three ways are actually not very difficult. Anyone can do it. It's about getting up and applying them. So let me know in the comments, how is your passive income journey going, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. I will see you next time. Thank you.